Okay, this is my my setup for horizontal routing to the side of a board. Drawn in Vectric, and I've done a 300mm square here. This is just so I can see it clearly on the screen. Obviously that could be a door or anything, etc. And what we're going to be looking to do is to be able to horizontal route into the side. Alright, so just for instance a lock and maybe some hinges, and the same I've done up here. These will be the hinges. Obviously if this is the lock, that would be the hinges, and the other way around. So I've drawn this just so I can actually prove that all the arcs etc work. So that one, there's a drill hole here, all right. Then we've got a shape like a hinge, so it's a square with radius corners, so we give the arcs. We've got a full circle to give us arcs, a lock which is just a square, and then we've got, these are clockwise arcs. These two over here are counterclockwise arcs, so I needed to test that as well. All right, so this panel would be drawn, this is set up as 30mm thick. So these returns are 30mm. So that bit there is 30mm, that bit there is 30mm, which would be the sides of the door. So this is just the easiest way I could draw it to actually prove it. And then let's have a look at it on the toolpath then. But that seems like a nice simple way of drawing things where we can work on the top and on the sides in the same program. Okay, this is just to show that this seems to be working, all right? Let's have a look. Can we see? Yeah, you can see it all there. See what we need to see. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it down. We've got a clearance of 15. So the 15 is actually showing in the Y on this one, not in the Z. Okay, so we're going to single line that, and it's going to go to the correct Z position. You can see on the toolpath is come down. I'm single lining this through. Now we're in the correct Z position, and we're still offset by 15. Now we're down to the plunge position, which is -1. There's our plunge move going in. We're just going to get to this 18 into the board in the Y. And then we're going to wrap it back out. So it's back out to -15, which is our clearance. Now it's going to go to -15, yeah, -10 is our position. And then we're going to do some arcs. So we have all the arcs working in the correct direction. I've got the feed rate turned right the way down on this, just so you can see it moving. This would be at normal feed rate, so at the moment it's running at 10%. You can see it going around, and around, another arc, a straight line feed. And we're at 9 deep into the work at the moment, so this is cutting on channel 9 deep, hence the Y is saying 9. And then it's going to wrap it back out to -15. Just move into the next position. Single line, arc. And you can see on here, there's a feed move, an arc, feed move, arc, feed move. And this is all would be the cut part. And then we're going to wrap it back out. Move to our next position, wrap it in the rapid position, which is still -15 off. And you note I've noted in the G code, I can work out where every move is coming from in my script. And there we go. And out to a tool change. And tool change just takes it back to the top, so that's cleared. You can see it going up, straight up, and we're still at -15. So we're cleared of the work now. The work was set at 30mm. So I'll just show you the way I've configured the board. This is what we've been cutting. Okay, so this side is the there's a drill hole, circle, a square with some radiuses on it, a square. That was all with clockwise arcs. Then on the other side I've done anti-clockwise arcs on these, which is a tool change. So that's the one side of the board. Now this would be the main board. You have to imagine this piece is folded over as a side, and this piece here is the same thing, but it would be folded over as if it's a side. That's the side I've got to work on next. It's a bit more complex, but flipping heck, I think I've cracked it. There we go. Working at my nice messy desk.